Ever wonder why some people stay on your mind for days, while others fade away? What if I told you there's a Stoic way to make someone miss you badly, without begging or playing games? In this video, you'll learn 20 powerful habits inspired by Stoic philosophy that will make you irresistibly memorable. Stick around, #7 and number 17 will shock you. Principle 1. The power of silence. Less talk, more mystery. Stoics believed in strategic silence. When you're not always available, your words carry weight. Example, reply slower, don't overshare. Principle 2. Embrace impermanence. Let them feel your absence. Marcus Aurelius said, "You could leave life right now." Use temporary distance to make them value your presence. Principle 3. Be unpredictably predictable. Stoics controlled their emotions, but surprise positively. Example, cancel plans once, with grace, to reset their expectations. Principle 4. The anchor effect. Create emotional triggers. Associate yourself with unique experiences, like a song, scent, or inside joke. Stoics used visualization to leave marks. Principle 5. Positive withdrawal. Disappear on a high note. Always leave before the conversation peaks. Seneca said, "Leave them wanting more." Principle 6. Self-mastery equals magnetic attraction. When you're disciplined, gym, goals, hobbies, people sense your energy. Stoics called this virtue signaling. Principle 7. The reverse psychology trick. Stoic detachment shows zero neediness. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal." They'll chase your freedom. Principle 8. The 80-20 rule of attention. Give 80% less attention than others do. Scarcity equals value. Watch their curiosity spike. Principle 9. Become a mirror. Reflect their behavior. Stoics adapted to situations. Match their energy. If they pull back, you pull back first. Principle 10. The legacy mindset. Live so that when you're gone, people feel it. Ask, how will they remember me? Principle 11. The strategic disappearance act. Disappear when the interaction peaks. Leave them wanting more, like a great movie cliffhanger. Principle 12. Emotional signature move. Create a unique association. Your perfume, a song, inside joke, that triggers memories of you. Principle 13. The 80-20 attention rule. Give 80% less attention than others. Scarcity creates value in the human mind. Principle 14. Social proof. Power play. When they see others valuing you, social media or real life, you become more desirable. Principle 15. The nostalgia bomb. Casually reference a shared positive memory. It activates the brain's reward system. Principle 16. Growth phantom effect. When you improve yourself visibly, new skills, looks, it creates irresistible curiosity. Principle 17. The reverse neediness technique. Show complete emotional independence. People chase what retreats from them. Principle 18. Intermittent reinforcement. Reward attention randomly, like a slot machine. It's scientifically proven to addict. Principle 19. The unfinished business hack. Leave conversations/stories slightly unresolved. The brain obsesses over incomplete patterns. Principle 20. Ultimate value display. Become someone who improves lives. People miss value, not just presence. Choose the most surprising technique and explain the psychology behind it. Give real-life examples. Show exactly how to implement it. So, which principle will you try first? Comment on their mind tomorrow if you're ready to test these. Hit like if you want part 2. If we get 100 likes, I'll make a part 2 going even deeper. And subscribe, because next week we're revealing how to. We drop life-changing secrets every week. Remember, Stoicism isn't about manipulation, it's about becoming someone worth missing. **